Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will be taking a closer look at the Itel S23, a budget-friendly smartphone that offers an impressive set of features. So, without further ado, let's dive into our review. The Itel S23 is a smartphone that packs a lot of value into an affordable package. It features a sleek and modern design with a 5.5-inch HD display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The phone has a solid build quality and feels comfortable to hold in your hand. Under the hood, the Itel S23 is powered by a quad-core processor coupled with 2 GB of RAM. While it may not be the most powerful smartphone on the market, it handles everyday tasks with ease, such as browsing the web, using social media apps, and running light games. The device runs on Android, providing a user-friendly experience and access to a wide range of apps on the Google Play Store. One standout feature of the Itel S23 is its camera setup. On the rear, it boasts an 8-megapixel primary camera, which captures decent photos in well-lit conditions. Additionally, it includes features like autofocus and an LED flash, enhancing your photography experience. On the front, there is a 5-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for capturing your favorite moments or video chatting with friends and family. In terms of storage, the Itel S23 offers 16 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 64 GB using a microSD card. This provides ample space for storing your photos, videos, and apps. The device is equipped with a removable 3000 mAh battery, which offers a decent battery life. With moderate usage, you can easily get through a full day without needing to recharge. The Itel S23 supports dual SIM cards, allowing you to use 2 different phone numbers simultaneously. It also provides 4G connectivity, enabling faster browsing and download speeds. The phone includes other essential features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Additionally, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, providing a convenient and secure way to unlock your device. Now let's talk about the pricing. The Itel S23 is designed to be an affordable smartphone, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. With its range of features, including a capable camera, expandable storage, and reliable performance, it offers great value for its price. In conclusion, the Itel S23 is a budget-friendly smartphone that delivers a satisfying experience. It offers a sleek design, reliable performance, and a capable camera setup. While it may not have all the high-end features found in premium smartphones, it certainly holds its own in the budget segment. If you're in the market for an affordable smartphone that doesn't compromise on functionality, the Itel S23 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Itel S23. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.